Before we dive into the story, let's meet our characters. This is Madhu. He is a food lover, always excited to eat different kinds of snacks and sweets. And here is the old man. He looks tired but kind hearted. He will play an important role in Madhu's life. Children, can you already guess what might happen when they meet? To find out that, let's read chapter 9 of your course book, Madhu's Wish. Madhu loved food. He always wanted to eat different kinds of food and snacks. He was never tired of eating. Every day at noon, he would sit under a banyan tree and eat his lunch. Children, every day Madhu sat under the big banyan tree with his lunch, always excited to eat up all kinds of yummy food items, sweet, salty, and crunchy. One day, as he was eating, an old man came. Madhu felt sorry for him and shared his food with him. So, kids, one afternoon, while Madhu was enjoying his meal, a tired old man walked past, and kind Madhu quickly offered him some food to eat. The old man was so happy that as he was leaving, he said, "My child, you have been so kind. In return, you can wish for anything from this tree and it will be granted." Madhu felt very happy. Thus, children, the old man was delighted, and while leaving, he blessed Madhu, saying the tree would grant him any wish. This made Madhu's heart jump with joy. He thought, I can ask for different types of food and enjoy them forever. He sat there and closing his eyes said,
"O tree, let me have different types of food, nothing else."
Madhu thought, wow, he could ask for so many tasty things and eat them forever. So he sat under the banyan tree, closed his eyes tightly, and wished for all kinds of yummy food. He heard a voice from the tree.
You don't want anything else. Think it over.
Without thinking, Madhu said nothing else. First, he asked for laddus. At once, a basket full of laddus appeared. Children, suddenly a gentle voice came from the banyan tree, asking him to think carefully before he wished. But Madhu was too excited and refused to think, and the very first thing he wished for was laddus. In a second, a big basket full of round, shiny laddus appeared right before him. He happily started eating it. After some time, he got bored. Then he thought of colorful fruits. Immediately, fruit in baskets appeared. He started eating them. There were grapes, mangoes, apples, bananas, jackfruit, melons, guavas, oranges, and many more. Kids, Madhu ate the laddus with great joy. But soon he grew tired of them. He then wished for colorful fruits, and at once baskets filled with grapes, mangoes, apples, bananas, jackfruit, melons, guavas, oranges, and many more appeared. He began eating them one by one, enjoying their different tastes. Then he got bored eating only fruits. He asked for savories. Immediately, savories like matri, samosas, kachori, potato chips, and vada appeared in huge baskets. He happily started eating them. Kids, Madhu became bored with eating fruits. He then wished for savories. Savories here mean tasty, salty snacks like matri, samosas, kachoris, potato chips, and vadas. At once, big baskets of these appeared, and he happily started eating them. As he was eating, he suddenly got hiccups. He wanted water. He looked around. There was food everywhere, but no water. He asked for water, but the tree said,
You wanted only food, not water.
So what if I don't get water? I will have sharbat, kheer and badam milk for my thirst.
thought Madhu. Soon all these appeared in jugs. Madhu drank them all, but the hiccups did not stop. They became louder. He was now desperate for water. He prayed to the tree.
May all this food disappear and let me have water instead.
Are you sure?
The voice from the tree asked.
Yes, I am sure. Now I know the importance of water. No other drink can replace water. Please give me just water.
A jug of water appeared. Thirsty Madhu drank as though he had never seen water. His hiccups stopped. He was no longer thirsty. So, children, what did we learn from Madhu's story? Food is important, but water is life. We should value water and never waste it. Thank you for listening to Madhu's Wish. See you soon with another wonderful story.